What's up, you guys? It's your Polly here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a noise using a balloon and other things you do. What you can do with a balloon. Like so. Grab the end. Like so, and you can do this with a balloon. Like I told you in the last video, what I made earlier, or what I did before, you can do this. Tie it, and do this, and so on, and so on, and so on. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, please do. In my last video, like today, I done comment videos. Leave a comment down below what you want me to say for you guys, and yeah, enjoy, and yeah, peace.